Module 4, Things to Look Out For. Secondary gains. Sometimes when an issue doesn't seem to budge, it might be due to something called secondary gains or cross purposes. This is basically when there is some kind of hidden benefit or purpose to holding on to the issue. This is very common. For example, let's say that you want to lose weight. You are convinced that it is truly what you want. But what if underneath that desire is a competing part of you, and it could be subconscious or conscious, that holds messages and beliefs like, if I lose the weight, I'll have to deal with unwanted sexual advances. That doesn't feel safe, so it's way safer to keep the weight on. Or, the last time I lost weight, I gained it all back. In fact, every time I've done that, I've gained weight again and then was left feeling so disappointed in myself. Why even bother? I'd rather protect myself from that disappointment. Or even, if I get thin, then I'm going to feel deprived all the time. I need food to self-soothe, since I don't know what else to do. I can't bear to lose that crutch. Or, I hate exercise and I don't want to do it, and I know that I'll need to do that to get to my ideal shape. I'd rather not try, so I don't have to put myself through that. The list could go on and on. It could be anything that keeps playing in the background. When these messages are there, they're like having one foot on the brake and one on the gas of your desire to reach your goal. To discover if you have any secondary gains, try using the Exploration Questions tool. Some relevant questions from it include, what is the upside of keeping this problem? That will give you a lot of information. What is the downside of keeping this problem? What is the upside of being free of this problem? What is the downside of being free of this problem? What do you get to avoid by having this problem? How does keeping this problem protect you or keep you safe? Another method of getting at what is holding you back with respect to an issue is to put a but on it. Say the statement of what you would like and then add but and fill in anything that comes to mind. Using the weight example, it would look like this. I really want to lose weight, but. Or, I want to reach and maintain my ideal size, but. The information you gather through these exercises then becomes the new issue that you tap on using the DIY tapping worksheet. As you clear away all the attachment to the secondary gains, you'll find it much easier to reach your goals. Your foot will be taken off the brake.